You've heard the headlines, seen the articles, felt the quiet hum of anxiety. AI is coming for your job. They say algorithms will replace analysts, robots will replace artisans, and code will conquer creativity. But what if the story is wrong? What if the very essence of what makes us human is also what makes us irreplaceable? Today, we're not talking about the jobs that will be lost. We're exploring the 5 professions that AI will never conquer, roles anchored in the uniquely human qualities of empathy, creativity, and touch. First, healthcare professionals. An AI can analyze 1 million X-rays in a second, detecting anomalies the human eye might miss. But can it hold a patient's hand and offer genuine comfort in a moment of fear? Can it navigate the complex emotional landscape of a life-changing diagnosis with a family? The doctor, the nurse, the caregiver, their value lies not just in their technical skill but in their humanity. They treat the person, not just the disease. Empathy is a medicine no machine can synthesize. The human touch, the reassuring voice, the compassionate presence, these are the pillars of healing that technology can assist, but never replicate. Second on our list, educators. A computer can deliver facts and figures with flawless precision. It can create personalized learning modules and grade tests instantly. But can it inspire a child to dream? Can it see the spark of potential in a struggling student and fan it into a flame? A great teacher does more than just transmit information. They mentor, they guide, they ignite curiosity. They create a safe space for failure and a nurturing environment for growth. They teach character, resilience, and critical thinking, skills learned through human interaction, debate, and shared experience. An algorithm can teach a student what to think, but a human teacher shows them how to think. Third, we have therapists and counselors. Mental health is a labyrinth of human emotion, trauma, and deeply personal experience. A therapist's job is to build a bridge of trust into that inner world. It requires profound empathy, active listening, and the ability to read the subtle, unspoken cues of body language and tone. Can an AI truly understand the weight of grief or the sting of betrayal? Can it share in a moment of breakthrough with genuine connection? The therapeutic alliance, the bond between counselor and client, is the cornerstone of mental wellness. It's a relationship built on shared vulnerability and trust, a human connection that no line of code can ever simulate. Fourth, the creative professionals that AI can generate images, compose music, and even write poetry. It can mimic the style of Van Gogh or the prose of Shakespeare, but it creates from a dataset of what has already been done. It reassembles, it reconfigures, but it does not originate from a place of lived experience. The artist, the writer, the musician, they create from pain, joy, love, and loss. Their work is a reflection of their unique soul and perspective. True creativity is not about imitation, it's about revelation. It's about expressing a feeling or an idea that has never existed before. It's a messy, unpredictable, and deeply personal process that stems from the chaos and beauty of human life. Finally, the skilled tradespeople. Think of the electrician, the plumber, the carpenter. Their work is not performed in a predictable, controlled environment. Every house is different, every problem unique. They must think on their feet, adapting to unforeseen challenges with hands-on problem-solving skills. Can a robot navigate the cramped, unpredictable space of an old building's crawl space to fix a burst pipe? Can it use intuition and experience to diagnose a complex electrical fault that isn't in the manual? These jobs require a dynamic interplay of physical dexterity, critical thinking, and real-world adaptability that is, for now, uniquely human. Uplifting, hopeful music begins to swell. So the future isn't a dystopian story of man versus machine. It's a narrative of man with machine. AI will become our greatest tool. It will free us from the repetitive, the mundane, and the analytical. It will handle the data so we can handle the dreams. It will manage the calculations so we can manage the connections. The most secure jobs of the future won't be about processing information, but about embracing the very things that make us who we are: our empathy, our creativity, our humanity. And that is a future to be excited about.